Our Walmart order has been delivered. This is our Walmart grocery haul for the week, and I'm going to share with you the meals I have planned to go with all of this at the end. Now, I did notice we are under budget, so that's excellent. It was about $120 for all these groceries. So our budget is about $150 or less per week. So we did remain under budget this week. But I did notice that usually I like to see groceries kind of go to the end of the island, and that did not happen this week. But we're going to get into what we're planning though with what we were able to get under budget. So let's get started over here with our produce. We got a spaghetti squash, and I used to be intimidated by this vegetable. I didn't know how to make it. I didn't know what to do with it, but I have now made it quite a few times with some excellent different variations, and it's a great low carb, keto friendly option for spaghetti for a pasta substitute. And I'm going to be making a great meal with that. That's going to include these mushrooms and some other ingredients, which I'll get into, but that's going to be fabulous this week. I did pick up a few more salads. They now make like these little kits. They're like a mini 1-serving salad kits. It's called a mini chopped kit, and they had this pizza ranch, which I thought sounded really good. So I'm trying to incorporate more vegetables into my diet, and sometimes pre-made mixes work best for that. So pizza ranch, and then another one, this is to serve two, is the avocado ranch. That sounded so good. I thought that would be great with a little crunch and the avocado ranch dressing. And then we always get a tricolor coleslaw or some cabbage. My husband likes to make a ground beef mash, so that's what that's for. All right, some other produce items. 2 lemons, because I'm going to be making a sauce, not a sauce, an actual vinaigrette for a salad. And then we did need some more garlic, a little, actually I was hoping this would be bigger. This is a cucumber. It's very tiny, so I'm not sure how much we're gonna get out of that, but 1 cucumber. I did get a nectarine and a peach. That's also for that salad with the lemon dressing. I got 4 avocados. We love our avocados. And our other staple of the week is our eggs. Went with 12 this week. Something else we also get is our Greek yogurt. My husband loves this for breakfast, and also we use that as a substitute for a lot of things. We use it as a substitute for sour cream. We use it in our cauliflower mash. We do a lot with Greek plain yogurt. Okay, we got some more more broccoli, because I love me some broccoli. So I got some more fresh broccoli. And then speaking of cauliflower, we always get this. You see this probably every week in my haul, is the 2 bags of florets for the cauliflower and 1 of the riced cauliflower. It's usually the base of what we make a lot of things, and my husband always makes that cauliflower mash each week. Let's show you a few more items here of our staples. Half and half, that's what we put in our coffee, is just some half and half. But I did get some heavy whipping cream because we are making maybe a little bit more cold foam or a few more desserts, so I did just get some heavy whipping cream as well. For our proteins, we have the mild Italian sausage. This is going to pair with that spaghetti squash to make that fabulous meal. It's going to be stuffed with the sausage and the mushrooms and some onions and leftover spinach. It's going to be so good. Okay, we also picked up some chorizo. This is the beef chorizo. Every summer I make paella on the grill, and we have a little bit of seafood left over. We have some mussels and we have some scallops and we have some seafood items, and I want to make the paella, but I'm going to do it, of course, inside. And I'm thinking I might just do it on a 1-pan skillet. So that's why I picked up some chorizo, and that's going to go with some riced cauliflower. All right, something I picked up that I've been thinking about for weeks, to roast and make my own whole chicken. That's what this is. It's a young chicken. A lot of times when you go to Costco, Sam's, Walmart, they already have the cooked chickens, and they're only like $5 or $6, and they're so good and so juicy. But one thing I did was I price checked it, and this actually is cheaper per pound. And you're also controlling the amount of salt and spices and any additional ingredients that you may not be aware of on those pre-made ones. I still think they're delicious and they're so quick and easy. But this time I wanted to kind of control the ingredients, so I went with getting my own, and I can't wait to make that. It's going to be great. We also picked up some bacon. We always have bacon. I'm almost thinking we should have got 2 packages, but for now we just got the nitrate-free, the natural choice bacon. I did pick up some more of my breakfast sausage, and I was glad to see they had the turkey version back, so I did get a package of those. And then instead of turkey this week, I did go ahead and get honey ham. Looking forward to some pickle roll-ups. We have a lot of pickles in the house. Gotta use those up, and so the best way to do that is ham and pickle with cream cheese roll-ups. They're so good. So I did get this cream cheese. And I always get the cheaper brand if it's going to be for us and it's going to be in a recipe for home. If I'm entertaining, I do prefer the Philadelphia brand. It's just smoother and better texture. But for us, no one's going to notice I went with the off-brand to save a couple bucks. Okay, for our splurge item, I picked up the chicken egg rolls. This is a quick side in a pinch, so hoping those are really good. They're going to be great in the air fryer. And then, speaking of air fryer, I did pick up these real good, I've heard a couple other YouTubers talk about these, how great they are, and high in protein, great, lower, less carbs because they're lightly breaded, and so these are going to be great. The reason I purchased these specifically is tomorrow is the Chiefs game, and it's on ESPN, so it's a Monday night football game. We're going to go to our local brewery, and we're going to watch the game from there, and they don't sell food, but they allow you to bring your own. I'm thinking I'm going to whip these up, bring some charcuterie items, and yes, I still have cheese left over from 2 hauls ago. Bring some cheese, some crackers, and I thought, what a great little protein addition, and we're gonna go to the brewery and enjoy that game with those little niblets. So that's the plan for that. All right, just some condiments and some staples to fill the pantry. We did need more soy sauce. We did need more Worcestershire sauce, and we needed more avocado oil, and our favorite, me and my son love the Kewpie mayonnaise, had to get that. I did need more brown sugar, so I went ahead and got a package of the light brown sugar. More cumin, because we've been making a lot more of the Tex-Mex and different things, so we go through quite a bit of cumin. And then just a package of the ranch, the salad dressing and recipe mix. The off-brand to save a little bit of money, because when you throw it in crock pot meals or just use it as a flavoring, I think it's fine to get the off-brand sometimes. Okay, we needed some Clorox wipes. And that's it. That is our haul. That's everything we got. I'm going to share with you the menu since this was I'd say an on-budget, moderately sized haul. I have a good menu planned. I have a couple new items like that chicken to use. So I'm really looking forward to what we've got and what we're going to work with this week. All right, I got my whiteboard out and I have listed all the meals I'm planning to make this week. Let's go through them. We're gonna have the roasted whole chicken, make that with some vegetables. And then I have the seafood paella with the cauliflower rice. We are going to, this is probably my son's meal that he'll make this week. Those are the tuna nachos. And we also have that spaghetti squash. I'm going to make that with the sausage, the mushrooms, and the spinach. And then I do have that peach and that nectarine, and that is going to be used with the farro I have left, and I'm going to make a chicken salad with that. We do have the one event. We have the Chiefs game that we're going to a brewery to watch, so we're going to bring some kind of charcuterie food, the chicken tenders, some cheeses and crackers and whatnot. And then we still have to use up same items, spinach and regatta cheese. So that is everything. That is what I'm planning and looking forward to a good week. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're notified when I make the recipes from this video and this haul. Thank you. See you soon.